Seeing God in nature. Nature reveals God to us and allows us to experience God's presence. In the Canticle of the Creatures, Francis of Assisi recalls that the earth, our common house, is also like a sister with whom we share existence and like a beautiful mother who welcomes us in her arms. Today, the province of India presents the project on ecology. Ecology is one of the projects where we Vedruna are making a conscious effort to enhance our Mother Earth, our common home. In this presentation, we are going to highlight the 3 areas. What are the achievements or activities carried out? What are the challenges faced? And what are the future plans? Our achievements. The following achievements or activities were carried out by the province of India: waste management, good sanitation and hygiene practices, water conservation practices, campus greenery, energy conservation, Swachhta related activities. Waste management. Under waste management activities, we are able to carry out the awareness program in our schools and villages about waste management program. The activities which were undertaken by the students are segregation of solid waste, building of compost pits, preparing manure, best out of waste, mass awareness through rally. Segregation of solid waste, building of compost pits, preparing manure, best out of waste, bringing awareness to the society. Water conservation. Many of our communities and schools are actively involved in conserving water through setting up a water collection system to gather rainwater for watering plants and other non-potable uses. Development of recycled water supply points for street tree watering. Youth involvement in constructing water bodies in the villages. Painting, essay and debate competitions organized to promote water conservation and management activities. Street play awareness rally, celebration of April Cools Day to promote water conservation and management activities. Voluntary work done by the students outside the college for water conservation and management activities. Green initiatives. Honoring and appreciating through plants. Gift that grows. Tree plantation. Watering the plant instead of lighting lamp. Celebration of World Forestry Day. Celebration of World Environment Week. Celebration of Season of Creation with Women. Season of Creation, Praise and Worship. Season of Creation, taking pledge to care for the earth. kitchen garden by the sisters. Energy conservation. Use of alternative energy. Many of our communities and schools are using solar panels to reduce the consumption of non-renewable energy because these renewable energy sources are not polluting the environment and are helping us to reduce the level of greenhouse gas emissions in the atmosphere and to reduce climate change. Swachhta related activities. Swachhta related activities in our schools. Information, education, communication activities. Awareness campaigns, sanitation, health, hygiene, etc. Door-to-door survey and awareness. Street plays. Swachhta melas. Installation of posters and slogans on cleanliness. Conducting village or school level rallies. Wall paintings on public places. Organizing movie screenings. Promotion of plastic free campus. Cleanliness drive in the adopted villages. Installation of dustbins. Installation of biodegradable bamboo dustbins by the youth. Wall painting. Livestock waste management. Awareness campaign on solid waste management in the village. Drawing competition for the village children. Repairing roads. Sister Shweta receives Green Champion Award 2021. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Council of Education, Ministry of Education, India awarded a national award to Sister Shweta and her team for their contribution in conserving the environment and Swachhta related activities. Challenges. Lack of support from the people and the government. Lack of funds to carry out conservation activities and programs. Many planted saplings are not able to survive due to lack of proper care and preservation. Water scarcity prevents us to preserve planted trees. Lack of manpower. Lack of motivation to the children and youth. Due to pandemic, there was a pause to carry out many of the ecology activities. Future plan. Green audit. Keeping the record of the planted trees and follow up. Establishment of eco clubs in our schools. Promotion of renewable energy, indigenous food, herbal gardens. Construction of garbage pits. Promotion of clean water bodies through cleanliness drive. Implementation of Say No to Plastic policy. Establishment of ecology movement in our communities, villages and schools. Planting more trees. Increasing water efficiency and promoting non-potable water use where appropriate. Promotion of water harvesting. To invest in water conservation initiatives that will have many positive outcomes for the community to greater biodiversity and sustainable management of community assets. We end our presentation with a quote of Pope Francis. Listen to the cry of the earth and the cry of the poor, who suffer most because of the unbalanced ecology. Thank you.